Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to log into the Discord PC app with the latest updates. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have the Discord app installed on your PC. Once you have that ready, go ahead and open the app. You'll be greeted by the familiar login screen. Next, it's time to enter your information. In the first text box, you have two options. You can type in either your email address or your phone number. Just make sure that whichever method you choose has already been verified with your Discord account. This step is crucial for ensuring your security. Moving on to the second box, type in the password associated with your Discord account. Take your time here to ensure you enter it correctly, as passwords are case-sensitive. Now that you've filled in both boxes, it's time for the final step. Look for the Login button and give it a click. If all goes well, you'll be swiftly taken to your Discord home screen, ready to jump into your chats and communities. And that's it. You're logged into Discord on your PC app, ready to connect with your friends and explore all the exciting features it has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy chatting!